My back to the oven. The radio grunge is blasting. The heat relaxes my tired muscles, which would otherwise not be lasting. The hard floor and epileptic shivers. The brutalist kings prevail, and the hardest part of proving I'm the Antichrist is drinking from that holy grail. When's it gonna end? I can't keep my life clean. When's it gonna end? Call me a depressed washing machine. When's it gonna end? Even I don't know what I mean. Dirty clothes and a few coins. Guess I'm a depressed washing machine. A coyote runs right in front of me, and he doesn't even look my way. Maybe I'm too dirty for Coyote Man. Everything's going great. Crying on the ground, I can't keep my life clean. Gonna never make a sound. Call me a depressed washing machine. Feed me coins, I'll do my job. Spinning around until I'm clean. I clean your clothes with every sob. I'm a depressed washing machine. Spare some change.